Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Namaste from Mumbai, the city that never sleeps and the city that always has a lot of sounds. I am Swamini Brahma Pragyananda Saraswati. It's quite a mouthful, I know. You can call me Swamini Ji because that's what everyone calls me. What is a Hindu monk like me doing on Udemy? Good question. There are 3 reasons for it. One is my disillusionment with modern psychology. I trained as a psychologist and I worked for many years and also in international development. And I found that psychology doesn't offer a lot of answers. My search ended when I came to Vedanta, and that's how I'm a Vedanta teacher today. In psychology, there is no solution. In Vedanta, the teachings of oneness, there is no problem. This is what my teacher used to say, and I find that to be so true. So my first reason is that the teachings of dharma are missing in psychology, and that's why we are missing the point in our lives, and that's why I'm here. My second reason for being here with you is the understanding of spirituality as a whole. There are certain myths related to our relationships and spirituality. A lot of people think that once I'm spiritual, I don't need to relate. And that is the farthest from the truth. Whether you're a Hindu monk like me or a party animal, life is about relating. And we all want to relate in harmony. We do not want our relationships to have conflict. And only when you come to the teachings of dharma, universal principles, will you find that all your questions have come to an end, because you find something solid that sustains this entire universe. The third reason why I have put together this very beautiful course for you is the love and wisdom that I have received from my gurus. I have been deeply blessed in this regard, and it is my life commitment to continue the tradition of sharing this teaching with all of humanity. It has made a huge impact in my life. The teachings of dharma and moksha have transformed my life, and I am only returning the gift to my gurus. It's an offering to them for all that they have done for me. And the only way I can offer it to my gurus is to offer it to you, who will receive it with open arms and an open heart. So what shall we gain by doing this course? Discover joy and wisdom of dharma in life, not later, now. What you will discover is what dharma is and how dharma can flow into your life. You will invite the illumination of dharma, and that will illumine all your pursuits. You will know how to illumine all your pursuits because you have discovered dharma as your center. You will see the interconnectedness of all your relationships and actually intensify some of them. You will change wisely, not because someone has asked you to. So by the way, I'm not a preacher. I don't expect you to believe anything I say. I'm a teacher. I have something to offer, and when teaching is involved, something is to be understood. That's all. You will find that you will open your heart because you will start to value your relationships and also learn to embrace all of your relationships. In embracing all of your relationships, you will be embracing all of life. And in embracing all of life, you will rejoice because the joy and wisdom is yours to claim. So join me on this journey. It promises to be a very exciting, a very kind and gentle journey, like the journey that I have been on with my teachers and gurus, the journey of wisdom really. So I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Namaste. From my heart to yours.